Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abbas. So today I am going to explain you about the code which I wrote for the vending machine. So let me run the code. So this is my vending machine. Welcome to Muhreems vending machine. So this is the vending machine which I made in GUI format. So we have biscuits, snacks, biscuits and drinks. So let's go with the snacks. So over here we have a bunch of snacks in the range of 7 and the drinks and the biscuits. So once we will click the snacks, the page will open for the snack and it will ask which sandwich or chips do you want. So I will go with chicken sandwich, which is S triple five. So let me write, and the money is 4.99. So I will enter 10 dirhams and I will click purchase. So this will show me the final receipt of my purchase, which is my product, in which it will show my product, which is chicken sandwich, cost which is 4.99, and the change I will get is 5.01, and it will show us the thank you message, and it will show the product which has been dispensed. Once we will click OK, it will ask us like do we need additional item. So once I will click, so with this snack it will ask for the drink. So once I will click the button yes, it will show me the available drinks which I have. So I will go with D triple four, and the money is 5 dirham. I will enter 5 dirham and I will click purchase. And now the final receipt has come, and it will say us that Pepsi has been dispensed. Thank you for your purchase. Come again. Once I will click OK, again it will ask, do you need to add any biscuit with the drink? So once I will click yes, so it will show me the available biscuits which I have. So I will buy the biscuit now, which is double B double one, which is chocolate chips biscuit, and the money I will enter is 5 dirham. And here is the final receipt, which will show us the product which I have bought, and the change also it will show, and it will show the message that the chocolate chip biscuits has been dispensed. Thank you. Come again. Once I will click OK, it will ask me, do you need any drink? Then I will click no. So my program will stop. The loop will stop. Now I will explain about the code which I have written. So I have used, so here here is the detailed explanation of the given vending machine GUI code implemented using Python's Thinker module. So The import statements which I have used: import thinkter as tk from thinkter import message box. So the thinkter is a Python library for creating GUI applications. Message box is a module in which thinkter to display pop-up messages like error information or confirmation dialogues. Now the vending machine class. The class which I have used is vending machine. The vending machine class, like, it shows the entire logic and the interface of the vending machine. Now we come to init method. This one. Set the vending machine class properties to their initial values. So, like, which means this is the constructor method initializing the class attributes and GUI components initialize products. Now we come to products, which are organized into categories: snacks, drinks, and biscuits. Each product has code, unique identifier example like S111, D222, and BB22. So name, rate, and the stock I have mentioned over here. Name, which is the product's name; rate, the price; and the stock, like, it will show whether it is available or not, and how much is, if yes, how much is available. Now we come to set other attributes like self dot total inserted is equals 0.0. Total money, like, it is used for, like, how much money the user has inserted. So self total inserted tracks the total money inserted by the user, and self.root the main window of GUI application. Now we come to configure the GUI window. The title sets the window title. The BG sets light blue background color and create GUI, which is like like, it calls a method to GUI components. Def create underscore GUI self. This method defines and arranges all GUI components. Table title label. This is like used for, like, showing the title in the vending machine. It displays the title at the top of the main window. It adds a vertical pending, like paddy is equals 10 for spacing. Now we come to category buttons. Like, the category buttons are like it is a frame which organizes buttons horizontally. Three buttons, which are corresponded to the product categories. Clicking a button calls like a respective method to display the categories menu. Now we come to label for suggestion. A frame organizes labels and input fields vertically. Users can input code, uh, product, like the code which is used is self dot code entry, and money inserted, which is self dot money entry. Now we come to purchase button. This button is labeled as purchase, which executes the purchase method when clicked. Now we come to suggestion method. This label dynamically displays suggestion for additional purchases. Like once we'll buy like snacks, it will ask for the drink. Once we will buy the drink, it will ask for the biscuits. Now we come to category menu methods. These methods all show category menu to display the respective categories item. Now we come to menu which defines it. It opens a new window displaying product details for the selected categories, like what do I need, like snacks, drinks or biscuit. Now we come to purchase logic. This method handles purchasing product input input validation. So this process is used for like it like the code uh, retrieves the entered product code and convert it to uppercase, and the money converts the entered amount to float, displaying an error if invalid. Now we come to find the product. So like it searches for the product across all the categories. If not found, an error message is displayed. Now we come to check stock and funds. So stock check displays like whether it is out of stock, if available, and funds check displays in sufficient funds, like if the money is like inserted in incorrectly. Now we come to purchase process, which detects stocks and calculate the change, and displays a receipt in the box. Now we come to suggestion, like suggest additional items. It suggests the additional items related to the categories. This is used for that. And last, for running the application, we use uh, if name main. This is the main function of the code, and vending machine root dot main loop. This will start the GUI of the vending machine. So this is like basically it creates an instance of vending machine and starts the th thinker uh, event loop. Thank you and have a great day.